Hello friends, welcome to my channel to watch more videos on streamlit. As we have gone through many videos on streamlit such as face detection, face recognition, flowers classification, image classification and many more videos on streamlit. Today's video is enhancement of previous video of face recognition using streamlit. So let us go through the code first. Here is the program. Now we will see what happens in face recognition using streamlit. Yes, a nice app has been displayed, face recognition project. Now we will see background changer. First of all, background changer. For that I will take the image of Madhuri. Yes, then I will take the image of Shahrukh. Yes, now I will take the drop down image, background image of the choice, image color. We will take background color, inbuilt color in the sense inbuilt image color has been changed. Yes, here also color has been changed. Now I want to attach it in background, so background changer and here it is. Yes, Shahrukh and Shahrukh background image has been changed. Yes, now I will change face detection. Yes, face detection has been done. Now face recognition. For face recognition I will do one thing. Yes, face recognition has been done. Then here draw file here, upload image, drag and drop. Yes, two images. Now so I have successfully done with face recognition, face detection and background changer using streamlit. I have taken more efforts to create this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, share with your friends. I will be back with more videos on streamlit and Node.js, Python, C language, PHP. Thanks for watching.